Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you guys are well. My name is Abdul Haq. I am an alim. I have completed my alimiyat from Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Lucknow. Presently, I am pursuing personality development class at Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Sindagi in Karnataka, where I learned spoken English and computer. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for providing us with a wonderful platform to enlighten our brains and develop our personalities. Today, I would like to address a topic that affects us all: the consequences of reckless driving. Reckless driving is a serious issue that has far-reaching implications for individuals, families, society as a whole. It is essential that we understand the gravity of this problem and take steps to address it. First and foremost, reckless driving poses a significant risk to human life. Every year, countless lives are lost due to accidents caused by reckless driving. These accidents result in devastating consequences for the victims and their families. Lives are forever altered, dreams are shattered, and loved ones are left to grieve. Furthermore, reckless driving leads to severe injuries and disabilities. Many survivors of accidents caused by reckless driving face a long and painful road to recovery. They may require extensive medical treatments, rehabilitation, and ongoing care. These injuries often have lasting physical, emotional, and financial consequences for the individuals involved and their families. Reckless driving also has a negative impact on our communities. When drivers engage in their reckless behavior, they endanger not only themselves but also other pedestrians, innocent pedestrians, cyclists, and other motorists. To combat the consequences of reckless driving, we must take proactive measures. Education and awareness campaigns are crucial in promoting the responsible driving behavior. By educating drivers about the risks and the consequences of the reckless driving, we can foster a culture of safety on our roads. Individual responsibility is a key in addressing this issue. Each and every one of us must commit to driving responsibly and avoiding distractions. It is our duty to prioritize the safety of ourselves and others on the roads. By obeying traffic laws, avoiding distractions, and driving responsibly, we can contribute to a safer driving environment. I wrap up my speech with a message that it's been a wonderful experience and great experience to share my views with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much. Have a good day.